In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Constant Contact subscription. To begin, sign in to your Constant Contact account and make sure you are on the main dashboard or home screen. Once you are logged in, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You will see your user profile icon or your organization name there. This is where account level settings are usually stored, so this is the first place you need to go when managing billing or subscription details. Click on your user profile or organization name to open the drop-down menu. A list of account options will appear. From that menu, select My Account. This will take you to the section where you can manage your account settings, including plan information and billing preferences. If the page takes a moment to load, just wait until the account management screen is fully visible before moving forward. Once you are in the My Account area, find and click the Plans and Billing tab. This section contains the details for your current subscription, including the type of plan you are on and any related billing settings. It is the area you will use to make changes to your subscription status, so make sure you are on the correct tab before continuing. After that, scroll down the page until you see the Subscribe Services section or the Current Plan section. The exact wording may vary slightly, depending on the version of the account interface you are using, but both areas are where your active subscription information is shown. Take a moment to confirm that you are viewing the correct service before you proceed. When you find that section, look for the Cancel Account button or the Cancel Subscription button. Click that option to begin the cancellation process. Depending on your account, the platform may show a confirmation screen or ask you to review the cancellation before it is finalized. Read the information on the screen carefully so you understand what will happen to your account after cancellation. If you are managing more than one service, be careful to cancel only the subscription you intend to stop. This can help avoid changes to the wrong plan. Once you complete the cancellation prompt, your request should be submitted. That covers everything you need to know.